Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Before you close your eyes tonight, imagine this. You are far away from everything that has ever rushed you, everything that has ever demanded something from you. There are no notifications here, no expectations, no unfinished tasks, only rain. Soft, steady, endless rain. And a small wooden cabin waiting for you in the mountains. Take a slow, gentle breath in and let it go. There is nowhere else you need to be. You find yourself walking along a narrow mountain path. The air is cool, fresh, carrying the scent of pine trees and damp earth. Rain falls softly around you, not cold, not harsh, just a gentle rhythm that seems to match your breathing. Each step you take feels slower than the last. The ground beneath your feet is soft, slightly wet, comforting. In the distance, you see a warm glow, a cabin, small, quiet, inviting. Its windows shine with a soft golden light, like it has been waiting just for you. You walk closer. The sound of rain shifts from open sky to the soft tapping against a wooden roof. You reach the door. It opens easily, as if it knew you were coming. Inside, the world feels different. Still, warm, safe. A fire crackles gently in the fireplace, casting slow-moving shadows across the wooden walls. The scent of burning wood fills the air, earthy, comforting, familiar. You step inside, and as the door closes behind you, the outside world fades away completely. Pause, deeper breathing. Take another slow breath in and exhale slowly. You remove your shoes, feeling the warmth of the wooden floor beneath your feet. Nearby, a soft chair waits beside the fire. You move toward it slowly, every movement calm, unhurried. You sit down and feel the chair gently support you. The warmth from the fire reaches your hands, your arms, your whole body. Outside, the rain continues, a steady, peaceful rhythm. Inside, everything is quiet. With each breath you take, your body begins to soften. Your shoulders relax, dropping just a little more. Your jaw unclenches, your eyes grow heavier. The fire crackles softly, and the rain taps gently against the windows. Nothing needs your attention. Nothing needs to be solved. Everything can wait. Imagine the warmth of the fire melting away any tension you may still be holding. It starts at the top of your head, slowly moving downward, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your neck. The warmth continues down into your shoulders, loosening every muscle. Your arms feel heavy, resting easily. Your chest rises and falls slowly, naturally, effortlessly. Your stomach softens, your legs grow heavier, more relaxed with each breath, all the way down to your feet. You are completely supported, completely safe, completely at ease now. Bring your attention back to the rain. Listen closely as it falls on the roof, soft, rhythmic, predictable. Each drop like a gentle lullaby. The sound surrounds the cabin, wrapping around you, holding you in calm. You don't need to follow every thought. You don't need to hold on to anything. Let your thoughts drift like clouds passing through the sky, coming and going without effort. The fire burns low now, glowing softly. The room grows even quieter, even more peaceful. Your body feels heavier, yet lighter at the same time, as if you are sinking gently into the chair or floating just above it. The rain continues its steady rhythm, guiding you deeper and deeper into rest. There is nothing left to do, nowhere left to go. You are already exactly where you need to be. Warm, safe, at peace. Let yourself drift without trying, without effort, without thought. If sleep comes, let it come naturally. If you remain here, just resting, that is perfectly fine too. The cabin remains quiet. The fire glows softly, and the rain continues to fall softly, gently, endlessly, guiding you into a deep, peaceful sleep. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.